Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Steam Market not loading or how to fix Market not loading on Steam. So without wasting any time, just follow the fixes. Fix 1 is to restart Steam or restart PC. So what you have to do, you have to close the Steam and also make sure it is closed from the system tray. Right click on Steam and then click on exit Steam. And then you can relaunch the Steam and then check Market is loading or not. If not, then simply click on Windows icon and then click on power menu and then restart your PC. And after your PC restart, then relaunch Steam and then check it is working or not. If not, then follow the fix 2. Fix 2 is to clear download cache. So open Steam, go to Steam settings, then go to download, and then next to clear download cache, click on clear cache. And after clearing your cache, you can check Market is loading or not. If still your problem is not solved, then third solution is to log out and log in. So simply open Steam client, click on your profile icon and then click on sign out of account and then log in back and then check your problem is solved or not. If not, then reset your internet connection. So what you have to do, in Windows search type CMD and open command prompt as run as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now here you have to type these CMD codes one by one and hit enter. I have provided this CMD codes in my video description, so you can copy paste these codes from my video description. These codes are just to reset your internet connection. So these are safe to use, so you don't have to worry about it. Now you have to restart the computer in order to complete the reset process. So close this command prompt, then go to Windows icon and then click on power menu and then click on restart option. Once your PC restart, you can then launch Steam and check Market is loading or not. Now this fix number 4 has solved the issue for many users, so I hope this will work for you as well. But if still your problem is not solved, then the last solution is to update and reinstall Steam. So check for update. If there are any update available for your Steam client, then update it, or simply you can reinstall Steam. So uninstall Steam from your PC and then reinstall Steam from the Steam website and then check. And the last trick is to run Steam as an admin. So right click on Steam and then click on run as administrator and then check Market is loading or not. So these are the fixes that can help you to fix Steam Market not loading or Market not loading on Steam. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.